Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to teach you how to add 360 panoramas to your Mapify app. First, let's head over to the Layers tab, where we have a detailed map of the Focus PC office. When you select a room, keep an eye out for the 360 panorama photo icon. By clicking the icon, you'll open the photo. Here's another one. To include one of these panoramic views in your Mapify map, start by visiting the dataset associated with the layer. Then, click Edit Data on the Mapify editor. You'll notice that some rooms already have panoramas linked. Now, let's imagine we're adding a new panorama to a brand new room. Click the plus button to create new panorama. Here you can provide a brief description, specify the sender's degree, add the capture date, and upload the image file. Once uploaded, you'll have the option to preview and explore the panoramic photo.